this video, I'm going to be showing you how much I've been able to make with the crypto trading bot on the Bitget app after 7 days. Now, in case you don't know, in case you are new to my YouTube channel, 7 days ago, I created a trading bot on the Bitget app where I invested $200, and then I asked you guys to tell me how many days I should leave it for, and most of you said I should leave it for 7 days. So today is the 7th day, and I'll be showing you how much I've been able to make with the crypto trading bot I created on the Bitget app. Now, just let me give you a backstory before I show you how much I've been able to make. Now, in case you don't know, there are two ways you can make money with the trading bot on Bitget. So you can use an AI trading bot, or you can create a trading bot yourself. So we decided to do an experiment where we are going to be using both. We use the AI trading bot and we use a trading bot created by myself, and we'll be able to see which one is more profitable, which one is better, which one should we be using, and which one will make more money for us. And we've already made a video on how to make money with the AI trading bot where I invested $100 and we left it for 7 days. And I also showed you guys how much I was able to make after 7 days. If you have not seen that video, I'll put the link in the description below. And then 7 days ago, I made a video on how you can create a trading bot by yourself where I invested $200. And most of you guys said I should also leave it for 7 days. So today is the 7th day, and I'll be showing you guys how much I've been able to make. And by the end of this video, we'll be knowing which one is more profitable and which one is better. And I'll also be sharing my tips on which one you should be using. So if you are ready for this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now, the first thing is, how do you get to the trading bot page on Bitget? So you can see I'm on the home page on Bitget, and the first thing you want to do is to click on trade at the bottom side of the screen. Now, once you click on trade, at the top of the screen, you'll see where you have bots. So you click on it, and right here is the trading bot page on Bitget. And by the way, if you don't have an account on Bitget, you can use my link in the description below to create an account, and you'll be getting $20 trading bonus on your first $100 deposit. I hope you understand. So this is the trading bot page right here, and if you want to create a trading bot by yourself, just come here to where you have create a bot and click on all. So once you click on it, it will show you the different types of trading bots you can create. So 7 days ago, we created a futures grid trading bot, which was what we did. So if you want to learn how to create a trading bot by yourself, go watch that video. The link will be in the description below. I explained the step-by-step guide on how to create a trading bot right there. And if it's that you want to use an AI trading bot, just come right here to where you have recommended bots, and if you keep scrolling, these are all the AI trading bots right here. You can see this AI aggressive, AI balanced right here. So you see different AI trading bots right here. And if you also want to learn how to use this AI trading bot, I also have the video. The link will be in the description below. So I'm not here today to show you how to create a trading bot or how to use the AI trading bot. I have videos for all that already, so the link will be in the description below. So what I'm here to show you is how much I've been able to make in 7 days with the trading bot I created myself. Now, to check that, you come right here to the bottom of the screen and click on my bots. Now, once you click on my bot right here, it will show you the trading bots you currently have going on. So you can see I already have one trading bot going on right here, which is the futures grid, and we are trading BTC USDT. And you can see the trading bot I created was to take long positions, and the leverage we used was 10x leverage. And you can see our margin, that is how much I invested, it was $200. And then it will show you the running time. So you can see this trading bot has been running for 7 days and 2 hours. So how much have I been able to make with the $200? So the total amount of profit I've been able to make after 7 days is $23, and that is 11% profit, which is a huge amount of profit in 1 week. Making 11% profit in 1 week without doing anything, without doing any analysis, without worrying yourself about checking your trades every day, it is very, very profitable. 10 or 11% profit in 7 days is very profitable without doing anything. This is all like passive income for me. Imagine making this 11% every 7 days. That would be very, very good. That would be a very good investment for you. Now that you've seen how much I made in 7 days, there are some things that I'll be sharing with you, and I'll be giving you guys some tips on using trading bots, because I know some of you don't have the time to trade or the time to do analysis. You are going to prefer to use trading bots. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is that the fact that I made 11% profit in 7 days does not guarantee that you'll make 11% profit in 7 days also. You can create your own trading bot and you will make 20% profit, 50% profit in 7 days, and you can even create your own trading bot and you might lose 10% in 7 days. So what I'm trying to say is that the fact that I made 11% does not mean that you will also make 11%. I hope you understand. So that's why you need to learn everything about creating a trading bot, which I explained in my previous video. Again, the link to that video will be in the description below. That's why I'm saying you should watch the video, because in that video you learn everything on how to create a trading bot. So that's the first thing. Don't expect to make how much I made because you are creating a trading bot. No, don't expect that. Now the second thing I want to talk about is which one do I think is better between the AI trading bot and the crypto trading bot I created myself. Now, in case you don't know, for the AI trading bot, I made 4.5% profit after 7 days. And for this one that I created myself, I made 11.56% profit after 7 days. Obviously, from the profit, the trading bot I created myself is more profitable. But which one should you use? Now, I've experimented this trading bot that I've created myself and the AI ones numerous times before creating the videos, and they both have their advantages and their disadvantages. But here's what I'm going to say. Now, if you are the kind of person that you prefer to make small profit, but you want it to be consistent, maybe you want to be making like 3% every week, 4%, 5% every week, then you should be using the AI trading bot. So for the AI trading bot, it is going to be giving you small percentage of profit, but it is going to be consistent. That's what I've noticed about the AI trading bot. And another thing is that if you're using the AI trading bot numerous times, you're going to be profitable at least 80% of the time. At least 80% of the time. That's what I noticed about the AI trading bot. So if you're a kind of person that you prefer small but consistent profit, then go for the AI trading bot. Like I said, you are going to be 80% profitable all the time. That's based on what I experimented. But if you're a kind of person that you prefer to be making huge amount of profit, but it won't be consistent, then you can go for a trading bot created by yourself. And you must learn how to create a trading bot, which I explained in my previous video. The reason why I keep saying you should watch my previous video on how to create a trading bot is because some people will go ahead and create a trading bot and they will lose a lot of money and later come and say, I told them to create a trading bot. So that's what I'm saying. Ensure you watch my video where I created a trading bot. I explained everything you need to know in that video. So don't just go ahead and create a trading bot without learning how to. Please. That's why I keep saying watch that video. So don't think maybe I'm just trying to promote or something. No. I just want you to learn before you go ahead and put your money in something you don't know. I hope you understand. So again, if you want to make bigger profits but it won't be consistent, then you can go for a trading bot created by yourself. Now, why did I say this? Now, after creating a trading bot on this Bitget app numerous times, I noticed that for the ones that are profitable, I was making about 10 to 20% profit per week. 10 to 20% profit per week. And for those times that I was not profitable, I was losing about 5%, 7%, 6%, and so on. So you can see that if you are creating a trading bot by yourself, sometimes it will be profitable, sometimes it won't be profitable. But when it is profitable, you can make huge amount of money from that. Now, for the trading bot created by yourself, the chance of you making profit all the time will be about, let's say, 50 to 60% chance. But again, when you make profit, it is going to be a tangible profit. It will be like between 10 to 20% profit. As you can see here, this one is 11.5% profit in 1 week. So I hope you understand that. Now, the third thing I'm going to tell you is that remember that you are using a trading bot. Now, for this trading bot, you are not doing any analysis. You are not the one taking the trade. It's just a trading bot that is trading for you. Whether you are using AI trading bot or you are using the one created by yourself, it is just AI, artificial intelligence. So you don't expect it to be profitable all the time. That's why I'm putting chances in this thing. That's why I'm saying if you're using AI trading bot, you have 80% chance of being profitable. If you are creating a trading bot by yourself, you have 50 to 60% chance of being profitable. So that's why I'm putting chances to these things. Don't expect it to be profitable 100% of the time. No. Like I said, I've tried this trading bot multiple times before I created these videos. That's why I'm telling you guys that don't expect to make profit all the time, because some people might go ahead and create a trading bot, maybe their first trading bot, they will lose money and then they'll come right here and say I made them to lose money or things like that. So ensure that you learn about this trading bot from my previous videos before you go ahead and create one. So that is all I have to say. Now let me show you how to close your trading bot or how to take your profit. Now there are two ways. Let's say, for example, you just only want to take your profit and you still want to leave the trading bot. So let's say, for example, I want to withdraw this 23 USDT profit, but I want to leave my $200 there to still be taking the trades for me. I'll just come right here to where I have withdraw profit. So once you click on withdraw profit, enter how much you want to withdraw and your profit will be in your wallet. That's the first way. But let's say, for example, you want to close everything. So you want to withdraw your $200 plus the $23 profit. You come here and click on termination. So that's what I want to do. So to do that, just come right here and click on termination. And you see right here, are you sure you want to terminate the BTC USDT bot? All related bot orders will be cancelled at termination, and any existing positions will be closed at market price. What this means is that if there is still any trade going on right now, all the trades will be cancelled at the current price. I hope you understand. So once you've seen this, just click on confirm, and you see it will load, and you see operation successful. So once you've done that, you see that this page right here will be empty, and then you can now go to your wallet and you'll see your money right there. Your money will be in your wallet. And to go to your wallet, it's simple. Just come right here to where you have assets right here. Click on asset, and then you click on futures right here. Remember, it's futures trading bot I did. So if it's spot trading bot, it will be in your spot wallet. If it's futures trading bot, it will be in your futures wallet. So you come right here to where you have futures. So if I open it right here, you see I have $227 right here. So I had $4 right there before. So with the $223, that makes it $227. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this trading bot, whether the AI trading bot or the trading bot I created myself, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.